Allah is عليم, He knows everything. كله is every شيء means thing. Allah is عليم, He knows everything. كله is every شيء means thing.
Rahmah is mercy, is merciful. Rahim to the believers, al-mu'mineen. Rahmah is mercy, is merciful. Rahim to the believers, al-mu'mineen. Dunya is this world, hereafter is akhirah.
Great has goodness in both, Ya Allah.
Dunya is this world, hereafter is akhirah.
Great has goodness in both, Ya Allah.
Sabil path, Ja'a, He came. Amri's command, Moses name. Sabil path, Ja'a, He came. Amri's command, Moses name. Adhab is punishment, Mubin is clear.
Mimma from what kuntum you were.
Adhab is punishment, Mubin is clear.
Mimma from what kuntum you were. Kuntum you Allah is عليم, He knows everything. كله is every شيء